Hi, this is Barbara. Today I am going to show you how to work a half double crochet. To start the row, we make 2 chains, turn it around, yarn over into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, straighten it out, yarn over, and then we're pulling it through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. Again, yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull it through, straighten it out, yarn over, and pull it through all 3 loops. And we're just going to continually do this. Yarn over into the stitch, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all 3 of them. Yarn over into the stitch, pull it through, yarn over, through all 3. And this is how a half double crochet is worked. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be glad to help you with any crochet questions you have. See you next time.